Well, we got a problem with our layout at the club. Our reverse sections ain't working. We got 4 reverse loops. And so there is no trains running, so we can do videos. So I'm going to do one in my apartment. And this is my home layout. And I did some work on here on my waterfall. Right in here, you get to it right there. It's all the way to the bottom. And so anyways, and I did some work over here. And we got a train, another train coming, the local, with 3 tank cars. See right here, look at the other video of my train layout. You can tell I did some work in here a little bit. So it looked not too bad, really. So that's what we did, and we'll do this area here.
Switch to Verizon for just $25 a line, guaranteed for 3 years. The savings that last on the network you want. Verizon.
So I want you to have a good day. So my next video will be to probably put more resin here in the river, the lake right here. And there's a part of the river that has not been done. It's way over here. You can see where the water just ends right there. We'll go all the way down around that rock. So it hasn't been done yet. So that's my next video. My next step. So anyways, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Leave a comment, questions, subscribe, give me a like if you like my video here. Thank you very much. Have a good day and good day. So anyways, take care.